Hello friends and welcome to my channel. I'm so happy you're here today and I hope you enjoyed today's video. It is a weekend cleaning routine where I'll show you what I do to keep on top of simple chores while still enjoying my weekend and how I prepare for the week, which obviously starts with a cup of coffee. It's a little bit more relaxed than my normal video, but I hope you enjoy it because I actually really like taking a peek into other people's weekends and routines, and so I'm hoping y'all will enjoy this as well. And speaking of others, today's video is in collab with a very sweet friend of mine. Her name is Elizabeth DePetta, and I met her through Brianna K's YouTube course, and she is such a sweet soul and has some of the best content. On her channel, she shares motherhood, lifestyle, and motivation videos, and I have not missed out on a video since I found out about her channel, and I know y'all are going to love it as well. She shares so much about her beautiful family, her home, and has some of the best binge-worthy content on her channel. So you can start with her video that we're collabing with today, where she is sharing her weekend cleaning routine as a mom. So once you're done watching this video, you'll have to go and check out hers, and please let her know that I sent you. If you're coming from Elizabeth's channel, welcome. I'm so happy to have you here today. I do homemaking style videos such as organizing, decorating, and cleaning motivation, and I would love to have you join my YouTube community by hitting that subscribe button below and hit the notification bell so you don't miss a future video. All right, y'all, so let's jump back in, and as you can see, I have already had my cup of coffee and I'm ready to start my day. And I always start my day out by making our bed. Now, before the stay-at-home order, we would have people over just about every weekend, and so I'd make sure that I made my bed in full with all the decorative pillows, whereas during the week, I will only add decorative pillows if I'm in the mood. And it's just kind of become a habit and a part of my weekend routine, even during the stay-at-home order.
Yeah, it makes me wonder. Makes me wonder. Oh, I wonder.
I actually had someone ask me why I only show one part of my room, and if I'm being transparent, it's because I have a bulky elliptical in our room right now that is really heavy, so we haven't moved it to the upstairs gym area yet, but that will be another project for another day.
How come the stars come to shine when it's
Once I'm done in the bedroom, I'll move into the living room and straighten up the couch, fluff the pillows, move the dog toys. I have a little basket behind the couch for her, and I like to wash the throw blankets. Like I said earlier, before the stay-at-home order, we had people over all the time, and so I just like things to be fresh and clean for my guests while hanging out at our house, and so it's just kind of become a habit. Plus, my husband and I, we love to watch movies on the couch on Saturdays and Sundays, so even with nobody coming over, it still just makes it more cozy knowing everything is fresh and clean, and I'm just able to relax better. Because I'm a throw blanket hoarder, I will rotate washing my throw blankets so I don't get overwhelmed washing them all in one day.
We are who we are. Why don't I be me and you be you?
Now, I don't know if you're noticing a theme here, but I really just kind of move to the main areas of our home and pick up. I'm not deep cleaning, I'm not vacuuming, I'm not mopping, I'm just kind of picking up, freshening up. This was really great before the stay-at-home order because if someone just popped in, our house would already be picked up and ready for company. And it's been good even during the stay-at-home order, even though no one's coming over. It was still nice to have the house clean because I feel like you're really just able to relax the rest of the day. Plus, if I'm not picking up Friday or Saturday's mess, that just means I'm gonna have a ton to do on Sunday, and we try to keep Sunday pretty chill, so it just helps with that as well.
Doing what you do what you like, do what you like to do what you like, do what you like, do what you like to do. Ain't no one stopping you. Try to express yourself in your own way, and we could have some fun. No problems coming in our way. I would like you just the way you are, and you would like me just the way I am, and I would like you just the way you are, the way you are. Keep on doing what you do, doing what you do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do.
A lot of y'all comment on my sink and mention how you love the black sink, and I do too, but it's actually a granite sink. It gets this real cloudy, filmy look to it, and if I'm being transparent, it kind of drives me crazy because I clean it often, but it still looks dirty. So being that this is granite, I have to treat it differently. So I'll clean it with some soap, and then I'll take baking soda, vinegar, and then I'll take a food grade mineral oil to get rid of that cloudy look, kind of like waxing it. And after several years of trying all kinds of methods, this has been the best and has kept it looking shiny the longest. It'll stay shiny for about a week or two.
I don't usually fall for someone. I don't even care who I run from.
Y'all, I am so embarrassed to say that I'm a little bit behind on my decor and tablescapes, and even though this is more spring than Easter, I still have the carrots implemented into this tablescape, and I have not taken them down yet, as you can see. So today I am going to take all of this down, clean the table, and get it ready to do a new tablescape here in a couple days, which you'll see in a future video. And y'all, I cannot wait for y'all to see the summer tablescape. So make sure you're subscribed and your notification bells are on so that you're notified when my summer clean and decorate with me video comes out. All right, so I'm gonna wipe this table down, and this is it for my Saturday routine. I'm just gonna enjoy the rest of my day, lounge around, hang out with my husband. Before we move on to Sunday, I wanted to give you guys a clear view on how my table looks with nothing on it, because it is a rare occasion that I do not have a tablescape set up. All right, y'all, happy Sunday. It was actually raining off and on Saturday and throughout the night. As you can probably see, there are certain areas of the ground that are still wet. So it was a really nice surprise to wake up to a beautiful Sunday morning. And what better way to start off the day than a bike ride?
Here, I want more out of life. The longer we stay here, our boots get stuck in the mud.
Now on Sunday mornings, we don't make the bed when we first wake up, just because we know we're going to take the bedclothes off to wash them. So I'm just going to strip the bed. Some days I'll throw the bed sheets in the wash. Some days my husband will do it. Sometimes we'll do it together, but making this video, so I'm just going to go ahead and strip everything off and throw it in the wash.
I said, yeah, call it a start by leaving behind what's breaking our hearts. I said, yeah, follow the spark. Ain't nothing but a one-way.
I also like to take the opportunity to clean out the fridge, take inventory of what we need, and ask my husband if there's anything that he requests from the store, and kind of just straighten up the fridge to get it ready for a new load of groceries that I get on Monday.
We won't regret this.
After I've done that, I'll write a list of everything that I noticed we needed, and I'll take a picture of it on my phone because so many times I have forgotten the list at home. And so I'll just snap a picture of it just as backup, and I'll also lay the list on the counter in case we need to add anything else to it throughout the day. And yes, I will snap another pic of it at the end of the day.
'Cause nothing is stronger.
After we've done this, I just enjoy the rest of the day with my husband. We watch movies, hang out, work on any projects that we have going on, and we just really enjoy our day. Then towards the end of the day, either I'll make the bed, my husband will, or we'll make it together. Kind of like I was saying earlier, on this particular Sunday, I went ahead and made it for the sake of the video, so that is what I'm doing now. Every weekend tends to look a little different, but for the most part, these are the things that I do on a consistent basis, and it really helps the weekend go a little smoother when it comes to chores.
Worries, ain't no worries. Don't you worry about a thing. Don't you? Oh. as long as we're together. Home can be a million.
I hope you enjoyed getting a peek into my weekend routine, and don't forget to head over to my friend Elizabeth's channel and check out her weekend routine, especially for you mamas out there, as I know my weekend is going to look a lot different without kids, whereas Elizabeth has kiddos, so her weekend routine might look a little more relatable to you. The link to her channel and her Instagram, which is goals by the way, will be in her description box below. Don't forget to let her know that I sent you. All right, friends, that's it for today's video. See you next time.